Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Nest in Padasalai. So this video is an information regarding this joint CSER UGC NET examination June 2021 online registration extension regarding it. So I hope you all are seriously preparing for this examination. Okay, so this is to add up an information to calm your mind. Okay, because there are many news going on internet and social media platforms saying that this particular examination called joint CSER UGC NET examination June 2021 will be postponed. Like that they are saying. Many students are in the mindset of leaving their preparation. And also in this website, there is no update after this particular thing. So the joint CSER UGC NET June 2021 correction form, and here they have released this particular update on 5th of this month, and they says that if you see in website this particular thing, they says that the correction form will be closed on 9th. So 9th means Sunday. So Sunday they should remove this particular dashboard, but they didn't remove this particular dashboard. Meaning there is some other thing going on between this particular thing. So you all know this particular exam is under the control of this National Testing Agency. So you should also check this particular website called National Testing Agency. And with respect to any particular matter in your life, you should not think in one path itself. You should think in diverse paths so that your mind will get calmed. You will get answer for all your questions that are arising in your mind. Because if you're having lots and lots of questions in your mind, you will be under a mental torture and you'll be losing a mental peace that will be reflected in your exam preparation. So let me give you a important update. If this particular thing, that is if this particular joint CSER UGC NET June 2021 correction form dashboard is not being removed, then there are many possibilities of extending your online applications also. So I am here in this website called nta.ac.in, and if you see over here, it has been, this website has been updated today only, that is January 12, Wednesday. Under this particular column called archives, that is notice board archives, if you go and check over there, here they have a public notice released on 10th January and 7th January. Please wait, this is not with respect to CSER, but lend me at least 1 minute to hear what I'm saying. So if you click on this particular notice regarding the extension of registration date for Steady Web's active learning of young aspirant mind, so I hope there is a full mind of comparing this YM platform with CSER examination. But let me just try to understand what is the essence of I'm going to share with you. So if you see over here, there is an online application form similar to a CSER examination. So they had opened the form on December 16 and they closed the form on 2nd of January. Okay, and now they have released an important notice. So this particular examination has been planned to be conducted on 18th to 15th, 18 and 19th of February. Dates are allotted for this examination, same as your CSER examination. See, CSER examination from 2019 onwards, National Testing Agency only involved in conducting examination. So National Testing Agency, there is many chances like National Testing Agency will follow a same thing for all examination. Okay, and if you see here public notice which is dated on 10th of January, here you can able to see meanwhile representation are being received from candidate seeking for extension of last date for submission of online application form for the examination. So they had closed the online application on 2nd. After that, they had released a public notice on 10th January. So if you compare with your CSER examination, they had closed the online application form on 3rd of January and again opened this correction form. Okay, so there are many possibilities of releasing a notification regarding your extension of last date of submission of application form for CSER exam also. And also the reason for this extension is that please make sure what is the reason on account of difficulties being experienced by students due to COVID-19 and disruption caused by it. So you know pandemic restriction in India are again coming and many states are in lockdown. So students are a little bit worried whether there will be any postponement of examination or whether any cancellation of examination because they didn't update the website. So if you see over here, the update is under freezed. You can say freeze only. There is nothing new update apart from this joint CSER UGC June 2021 correction form. Apart from it, there is nothing has been updated with a view of removing hardship caused by the candidate. So this is an important thing you should understand. Since this NTA is also involved in conducting hardship, many students will be mailing to NTA saying that answer their questions regarding postponement of examination and any other further update regarding your CSER NET examination. Because already students, you know, 2021 there is nothing examination was conducted with respect to CSER alone. CSER NET examination was not conducted in 2021 and many students are really hoping for this 2022 and currently Corona has come and started playing in all our life. Okay. Okay, and the main reason is to ensure the largest participation of the candidate. It has been decided to extend the last date further for submission of online form. So even though has been given for this YM examination, make sure to understand NTA is also conducting authority for CSA examination. They had increased extended the online application date to 17th of January. So they had closed the application form on 2nd of January and they had opened application form again on 10th of January. So till for 7 days, that is 1 week, they extended this particular thing. So again, another proof regarding this particular thing is with respect to this Indira Gandhi National Open University. So this is an extra examination with respect to PhD entrance examination, like admission to various PhD courses for academic session 2021 to 2022. And again, this National Testing Agency is also involved in conducting this exam also. So if you see over here, the basic information bulletin has been released. Online application form has been started on 5th of December last year and it has been closed on 22nd of December last year. So, and if you see the public notice that has been released on 7th of January 2022, the same thing was been occurred. Meanwhile, representation are being received from candidates seeking the extension of last date for the submission of online application form on account of difficulties experienced by them due to COVID-19 and disruption caused by them. With a view to remove hardship caused by the candidate and to ensure larger part of the candidate, it has been decided to extend the submission of online date application form. Okay, so here also they had extended again to 1 week. So 7 January they had opened and 1 week they extended. Same things. Here also the same reason they are giving and here also the same reason are giving. The say two exams are being conducted by NTA only, so there are highest chances of reopening of the admit card. So if you compare the 2020 exam statistics, that is 2020 examination, corona was in high peak. Okay, and in 20, so every year CSER will conduct examination on June month and December month. So for June month they release the notification on March month. Same as that, they have released the public notice on 16th of March and saying that examination joint CSA examination on 21st of June. Okay, and the eligible candidate can apply online between 16th of March to 15th of April. So they will give 1 month time period. And again they release a notification, like once they release, they had closed the online application form on 15th of April and they didn't release now information because at that time corona was a starting phase and many states and total India was in lockdown. We can't able to go to colleges, school, we can't even able to walk in a road because at that time there was corona restriction. There was 144 being lockdown was there. So at that time also they had released a public notice on August. See, they had released the notice regarding this particular thing on March month as similar to every year, and they had released the notification on August 8, 2022 saying reopening of online application form for submission of online application form for joint CSE or UGC NET examination June 2021. So let me share with you what is the reason. The view of representation received from many ways. So please understand, only you post a command to NTA either through a mail or you keep on calling. Many students like us will be calling to NTA. What NTA will be thinking it as a serious matter and they will at least shower many things related to update with respect to our examination. Only we need to take a step. Only then NTA will release an update to us. If you take GATE examination also, so this year also GATE is also following same thing with respect to CSER examination, but they are not up to this NTA and all because yesterday the IIT Kharagpur, which is a conducting authority for GATE, they had released an important notice saying that currently they are discussing with respect to exam postponement or to conduct examination on time. Soon we will release a notification. Like that they have released yesterday. So why can't this NTA CSA, which is involved in conducting examination, why can't they release an update with regard to that thing? Okay, so let me come to this particular one. Many students who have not filled the application form due to changed circumstances arising due to COVID-19. So currently we also in the same thing only, where because many students are saying Omicron is rising and third wave of corona is saying, so exam is postponed. We are in the same circumstances only. The same circumstances has been replicated 2022 also. The request received from Council of Scientific Research, so CSCR and NTA. So CSCR will also place a request regarding from students because many students will go to the CSCR HRDG website and ask the questions. NTA has decided to reopen the application portal form. So don't think that they might not reopen the application form. They might reopen the application form, but in this year, in August month they will reopen, but in 2022, even though vaccination are there and people are knowing about the spreading of this coronavirus and many research has been gone, so they won't postpone or they won't reopen on August month, but there is a possibility of reopening this month itself or might be next month. Okay, so think in that aspect. So if they are reopened, they will again give you 1 week time period to apply, and then the next process will be immediately. They will release admit card and they will do a correction video. Okay, this is also applicable for other students who are not able to complete their application form or submit their online application form CSER UGC NET June 2010 due to one reason or another. So at that time, the shops are closed. Many students from rural area and urban area, they couldn't able to go to online net centers, or they are in financially they are stressed, so that the parent won't give money for examination. There are many reasons. So that's the thing. The view of hardship faced by the students. So NTA CSER is also having a bigger impact regarding a hardship, and they are really worried about hardship faced by such students due to COVID-19. The National Testing Agency is now reopening the online application form. So submit the online application form afresh or complete the online application form with respect to CSER NET UGC NET December. Okay, and the website will be available from 22nd 8 2022 to 10 9 2020. That is 22nd of August to 10th of September they are open. This is really a 15 to 20 days time point they are giving. So there are many reasons for extending your online application form. So if they didn't take or if they didn't change this particular dashboard, then you need to expect your CSER NET examination online application to get extended. So be ready to take what are the decisions that are being taken. Okay, and don't lose your hope at any cost of time. It's better you directly contact NTA, okay, so that you can get to a essence of idea. So many people are calling this NTA and I am not calling this NTA and all. If possible, I'll try to catch up with NTA, but what NTA is saying, please visit the official website, please wait for official website, please wait. Like that only they are saying. They don't have any idea because the calls that are taken are attended by only those official that are under. No one under a head position or top position won't take your call and all. So the simple answer of answering their call is that they wait for the official website being released in this particular website, and currently there is no official website being released in this website, so we need to wait. Okay, so please don't skip your preparation, or please don't discontinue your preparation, or don't get distracted by watching videos saying that CSER examination will be postponed. Okay, it won't get postponed. If it is postponed, then it is difficult for you only, because many students will be applying. So there are many cases with respect to 2020 and all. With life sciences, nearly 1 lakh students are applying. Normally for life sciences, 60,000 students only have applied, but in 2020 and all, 1 lakh students are applying, and it is really competition only for to compete with 1 lakh students, and the probability of getting your CSER fellowship is very low. So think in that aspect. Say your exam will not be postponed. Even though it is postponed, pray to God it should not get postponed to June month or July month. Okay, since we are expecting our June exam 2022 and December exam 2022 will be happen normally, and from 2023 the examination should be happen normally. That is twice the exam should be conducted. Only then it will be easy for many students to get a CSER fellowship and do a PhD in across India various institutions. So that's it for today's video, friends. This is what the information that I need to share with you. Many students will be helpful by watching this video. If you are not helpful, or if you are disappointed with this video, then I'll come up with an interesting video and again with next video. Until it's bye from Astrid. Bye bye.